First ranked match of the night, of the afternoon. Yes! We're doing it on Omega! Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link it to the friends. Round 1. Dude! Alpha effect. Add Ben 10. Zeta from the grave. Tribute Ben 10. Special summon in defense. Activate effect. Add medium DRYTRON. Ben 10. Effect. Adding Diviner of Herald. Two plus level 1 monsters. Yugioh. Move beta Fafnir. Activate effect. Gamma. Yep. Diviner of Herald. Activate effect. Send Herald of Arclight effect. Add ultimateness. Activate medium DRYTRON. Ultimateness. I will use Move Beta Fafnir's effect, and I will detach Zeta. Yugioh. He's gonna nib, and this is where I'm gonna ultimate this. I will send Herald Born to like negate. Oh. Could get either time. Oh. Fafnir. Yeah, let's do the Fafnir here. Yep. Nova. Who don't I have in here? Okay, we could do Nova. And get Delta. Okay. This. And then back. Two level 6 monsters. Yugioh. Beatrice, Lady of Eternal. Activate effect, attach, Diviner of Herald. Sent to the graveyard, Eva. Eva's effect. Banish, Arclight, and let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Yep, that's it. Got my voice chat on it. Always got the voice chat. Always playing brackets. Yeah, dang it. ADAMANCIPATOR. Frank kids. Okay. Oh, that's got it. Block Golem. Is it a tuner? No. That's a tuner. And some anti-fragrance spell. Anti-spell fragrance or something. Up for drag right here. No. Nutria Beast. Oh shit. Oh shit. Warlord Savage Dragon. God dang it! So I got a quick effect? Oh, that's got a quick effect. Shit, I'm gonna have to shotgun it. Forbidden droplet. So I gotta do 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. No? Yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah, I can do 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, and 3. Negate. Fucking negated, buddy. Get at me. Nope, negated. Sorry. Do a switcheroony with the no. No. Son of a bitch. Son of a king. I will get a draw from that though. I will get a draw. I go like this. Switcheroony. Oh wait, I can't draw. Fuck. Oh shit. I will get a. Oh wait, I reveal a card. It didn't work. Fuck. Damn it. That's okay. That's fucking negated, buddy. To the graveyard. Gamma. Yugioh. Literalist. Assembled Nightingale. Battle. Literalist will attack directly. Gains 200 per material. You can attack directly and you can attack. Since it has 2 materials, you could attack twice. It's many materials that it has. Oh, oh. Main phase 2. Yugioh. Downer. Yugioh. I'll put him in defense. Sky Thunder. Kokeyatsu. Tönendo. I don't know if that was oh good. Yeah, fuck it, I'm doing it now. Sky Thunder. Kokiyatsu. Yes! Let's go! Okay. Before I get trolled again. Zeta, tribute Benton, special summon from the grave and defense, activate effect, add a ritual spell, 80 on this DRYTRON. Benton effect, if distributed, you can add a light fairy to my hand that is Diviner of Herald. Let's do this. I was almost flawless. Almost flawless. Check it out here. Check out the. Okay, we were at 12:11, 12:31. We were at 123, 124. We going up. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.